Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see this how to solve this one. A young girl counted in the following way on the fingers of her left hand. She started calling the as 1, the index finger as 2, middle finger as 3, ring finger as 4, little finger as 5, and then reverse direction calling the ring finger 6, middle finger 7, index finger 8, thumb 9, and back to the index finger for 10, middle finger 11, and so on. So she counted up to 199 for 1994. So she ended on her. So we have to see where did she end on. So number of thumbs. What is the number on thumbs? What we can say is 1. Then what the other number we can see on the thumb is 9. So 1, 9, and then that will be, because there's a difference of 8 over here. Again, here 8 means it is going to be 17. 8 means 25, and so on. So how are you going to write this one? So it should be of the form, because this is a difference 8. So now if you write 8n plus 1. So suppose you take 8, this is, you take 1 plus 1. So this is going to be 8 plus 1, that is going to be 9. Suppose you consider n as 2. So 8 into 2 plus 1, that is going to be 16 plus 1, that is going to be 17. If we consider the n as 3, so you are going to put in this one, 8 into 3 plus 1, that is going to be 24 plus 1, that will be 25, and so on. So this is of the form 8n plus 1. So now we have this, she counted up to 1994. So 1994, when we divide this by 8, what do we get here? 1994, if we are dividing by 8, 8 2s are 16, this will be 39, 8 4s are 32, and this should be 74. So 8 9s are 72. So what remains here is 2. So now what we can see, this will be, how are we going to write here? Whenever we are dividing means, this is the dividend, this is the divisor, this is the quotient, and whatever is remains is this is the remainder. So we can also write this as quotient into divisor plus this remainder. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. So here what did we get here? 249, and you are multiplying this by 8, that is the divisor, and the remainder is 2. So 1994 you can write in this way. So now what you can see, 2 is remaining. So what should be that? So 1993 shall correspond to thumb and 1994 to the index finger. So she ended. They have asked where did she end on. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so that you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.